Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. DVD belongs to A. Magnetic storage, B. Optical storage, C. Main storage, D. Non-volatile. And the answer is optical storage. Second question. Program developed according to requirement of an office is A. Packaged software, B. Tailored software, C. Utility software, D. All of the above. And the answer is tailored software. Third question. A dot matrix printer is A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Cannot print alphabet, D. Cannot print number. And the answer is output device. Fourth question. All peripheral devices connected to computer system are known as A. Keyboard, B. Hardware, C. Software, D. Application. And the answer is hardware. Fifth question. Computer is a system having A. Storage, B. I/O devices, C. CPU, D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Sixth question. Who was the first to conceptualize and design a fully programmable mechanical computer analytical engine? A. Lady Ada, B. Bill Gates, C. Charles Babbage, D. No one of the above. And the answer is Charles Babbage. Seventh question. Which is not a characteristic of computer? A. Automatic, B. Lazy, C. High speed, D. Accurate. And the answer is lazy. Eighth question. Which one has the highest storage capacity? A. CD, B. DVD, C. Floppy disk, D. Hard disk. And the answer is hard disk. Ninth question. Sound card is an device. A. Input, B. CPU, C. Output, D. Processor. And the answer is output. 10th question. Storage capacity of hard disk is measured in A. Terabyte, B. Gigabyte, C. Megabyte, D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Subscribe to continue the learning and preparation.